In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find open houses on Redfin. Whether you're looking to explore properties or find your next dream home, knowing where and how to locate open houses can be incredibly useful. So, without any further ado, let's get started. The first thing you'll need to do is head over to Redfin's website. Redfin is a popular real estate platform that provides a wealth of information about homes for sale, open houses, and local market conditions. Once you're on the Redfin homepage, you can start by selecting a city you're interested in. For the sake of this example, let's choose San Francisco, but feel free to select any city that suits your needs. You can do this by either typing the city name into the search bar or selecting it from the options if it appears prominently on the homepage. Once you have selected your city, you'll find yourself looking at a map and a list of real estate listings. This is where the magic happens, so our next move is to click on the Filters button. The Filters option is usually in the top part of the page, and it's going to allow you to narrow down the listings to suit your specific preferences and requirements. After clicking on Filters, you will need to scroll down to look for the Open House and Tour section. This section will be pivotal as it zeroes in on properties that are holding open houses. Finding this part might take a little scrolling depending on the number of filter options available, but it's generally easy to notice as it's an important feature for those actively looking to visit homes. In the Open House and Tour section, you want to click on Open House. By doing this, you specifically filter out properties that have scheduled open houses, which is exactly what we want to focus on today. This feature allows you to see only those homes that are available for you to walk into and explore without having to set up a special appointment. Once you've selected the Open House filter, you will notice an option that says Anytime. Clicking on Anytime will allow you to choose from different days or specific weekends when these open houses are available, giving you a flexible view of what's available and when. After making these selections and ensuring everything aligns with your schedule, simply click on See Homes. This will update the listings and map to show you properties with open houses based on the criteria you've just selected. And there you have it. You can now preview various homes that host open houses right from the comfort of your home. This process is not only simple, but also incredibly helpful in planning your visits and making the most of your house hunting ventures. Happy home searching!